the Crazy Roadrunner Challenge. This is the flagpole race. Earlier this year, we did the Hare and the Hound race. And that race is where the leader of the race can go anywhere, any direction on the racetrack. That's always a fun one. And then, coming in August, we will do the Escape from I-90 race. During that event, there's cars pulling campers, trucks pulling campers, school buses, painting machines, whatever you see on I-90, they must race around them. Cap the season off with the world-famous outhouse race for the Roadrunner Challenge. But here it is, the flagpole race in front of you right now. Remember, they'll do one complete lap to get the transponder scoring lined up and ready to go. The Batmobile, the smoke screen goes out again. Let's see, now they go around the pole this time. They hit the brakes. They're hitting the brakes, they're hitting the bumpers. 52 missed, 70. Oh no, complete mayhem. Well, the first two cars missed that part of the meeting. They're supposed to go one complete lap. But, oh, the last four did, okay. Here's your leaders now, the 52 and the 7. Is he gonna hit him? Is he gonna, oh, he cuts him off. Right in front. Great battle for the lead. Roaring around the flagpole. Your two leaders did get it right. So this will be your winner, or whoever can get through this mess. Kevin in the 7 car cuts it early, cuts off the 17. I have been corrected. This 7 car is Adam Cartwright, not Josh Kevin. Adam Cartwright, I correct myself in that 7 car. I believe he is your Roadrunner Challenge champion and current point leader. He's got this race figured out. Curtis Neiswanger, that 19, way out in left field. Look out, whoa, right in front of your leader. Well, the 52 of Brent Gardhart might have caught up a bit there. Oh, look out. It's having like a mini figure 8 race. The 7 car with the lead, but as you can see, he's got company. Wow, they get close. It's amazing they don't hit. 7 car slows, what happened? Did he miss a shift? Is the car dying? The 52 of Brent Gardhart holding on to that second spot. They've caught each other. With 1 lap to go, it's do or die time. Come on, Brent. Get that 52 going. Just doesn't have the pickup speed there. His Cartwright in that 7 car just bolts away from him. One last time around. Here he comes. Let's see if he can make it through. It clears, your winner. Whoa, look out. And the 7 car, Adam Cartwright, gonna take home that flagpole race winner. If you look at those cars, they have some sort of light apparatus attached to their roofs. You'll see them back tonight for their feature race. And if you've been here on July 4th events here at Rockford Speedway, you've heard of the Midnight Ride of Paul Revere. Well, we don't run it at midnight. But we do run that feature race, 20 laps for these cars in complete darkness. The only lamp you'll see is on the car, and there'll be one on the flagman, a small spotlight on the flagman during that midnight ride. One of the famous events started here at Rockford Speedway many, many years ago. Hey, he's crawling out of the car. Helmet is off. Let's put our hands together for Adam Cartwright, tonight's flagpole winner.